Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and also do not forget to turn on your post notifications so you will not miss a video of Nikki V's. So, oh my gosh guys, I have not done that intro in like such a long time. Gosh, my makeup looks so pretty guys. I actually went live on Facebook, so if you guys were wondering where I'm at all the time, I'm now on Facebook live guys. It is super fun. I'm actually able to talk to you guys. Just pretend that we're on FaceTime guys, but if you guys do not follow me yet on Facebook guys, I'm gonna be leaving a link down below guys. It is the funnest thing ever. Like, I've been having so much fun. I'm sorry if I abandoned you guys here on YouTube. I just got a message that my Pizza Hut's not gonna be delivered till 7:50 and it's 7:16. I'm so freaking hungry. So guys, I have no idea what I'm gonna be doing for today's video. Let me put my camera down real fast. All I know is that I do have to pack for Cali. I'm actually leaving tomorrow. This weekend is going to be super exciting, but before I get into all that fun stuff, let me show you guys some sunglasses that I just received in the mail. These guys, they're the most prettiest sunglasses ever. Like, they make me feel like a baddie. Like, look at how pretty that looks. These sunglasses are from Warby Parker and they're so pretty guys. The quality and the colors are so freaking pretty. We do have like 5 different pairs and let me show them to you guys real fast. But if you guys didn't know, Warby Parker is committed to providing expectational vision care online and in stores. And guys, they do offer sunglasses, eyeglasses, contact lenses, and also eye exams. These sunglasses do start at $95 including prescription lenses. It got stuck to my hair, but this is how this one looks guys. I feel so freaking cool. Like, I cannot wait to wear these this summer guys. They look so cool, and the color, like, it's like a crystal clear. It's so freaking pretty. But you guys can try Warby Parker's free home try on program. You guys basically order 5 pairs of glasses to try on at home for free for 5 days. And guys, there's no obligation to buy. It ships free and it also includes a prepaid return shipping label. And guys, here's another one. I really like these as well. Last but not least, oh my gosh, these are so freaking pretty guys. I cannot wait to wear these. Like, I can just imagine me at the beach just chilling, sipping on something. I swear. Try 5 pairs of glasses at home for free at warbyparker.com/14nikki. Okay, so I just finished eating pizza. I should have vlogged that too. I totally forgot. I forgot that I'm an influencer. I'm a YouTuber and I have to vlog everything that I do. I swear. But if you guys are wondering if I have any updates like on my room, because I was getting that question a lot on live, I do not have any updates. Like, my room looks the same from when I showed you guys. And I have no idea when I'm gonna start remodeling my restroom, my room, and all of that. But I will for sure let you guys know when I start doing everything. But I did tell you guys in the beginning of this video that I was gonna go to California tomorrow. So let's pack my bags because we need to go in the morning. And I'm basically just gonna be showing you guys everything I take, what I put in my luggage and my makeup box. So let's get right into that. And guys, by the way, I already used my little tub guys. It was the best thing ever. It was amazing. As you guys can see, all my shampoos are right there. So guys, my makeup vanity looks a mess. My moment I actually got ready here to do our live videos. A little behind the scenes. So the little white wall that you guys see on live is this one right here in the back. And then I have my restroom in the back of this wall. So I don't know if you guys are a little confused on how like my room looks or anything, but I'm right here facing my vanity. And guys, this is actually the makeup that I'm giving away for my Facebook live. And as you guys can see over here, Domendo Cochinero. But guys, this is all the makeup that I have like for giveaways and everything. Guys, right here is all the makeup that I have for giveaways. Like, look at all this freaking makeup. I'm trying to get the angle so you guys can see how much there is. But there's so much. Like, I have palettes. I have I don't know what this is. I think this is like for your hair accessories. That I never used. I bought off Amazon, but I just never used it. And then so much cool things like Rare Beauty powder brush. Rare Beauty is Selena Gomez's brand, which is super cool. And then I have Beauty Creations. I have a lot of like Lorella lashes. And then I do have Lorella scissors, which are super good guys. And then I also have this headband from Lorella as well. Super nice. Then I have Huda Beauty right here. I have lots of good brands guys. Okay guys, so here I have my big maleta. It's not that big, I mean, compared to other ones. I think this is like a medium sized. But if you guys are wondering where I got it from, I think it was like Ross, and it's from Steve Madden. And it's Steve Madden. I actually got it like a long time ago. And guys, surprisingly it's clean. I always leave things in it for like a couple weeks. I don't know, I'm just a little lazy. So guys, I already have my outfit for Fuerza Regida concert, and this is how it looks. A little sneak peek. And then before I forget, you guys can also shop these lashes, which they are called Toxica lashes. And I also have lash bundles, which let me show you guys real fast. Guys, I was for sure ready to work today. Like, I woke up and I said I'm doing a live today just because my mom motivated me and everything. But here I am still working. Like, I wanted to do a little vlog just so you guys can see how I prepare myself for like a trip or something like that. But this is basically how it looks on the inside, guys. So freaking pretty. Make sure to get them now because they are about to sell out. By the time you guys see this, I think Toxica lashes are already going to be sold out, just because I know there's a very little bit left. But if you guys are interested in these Toxica lashes, then you guys would have to purchase this bundle, which is probably like $59, and then you guys can use my discount code, which is Nikki Love for money off. For the shoes, I'm just gonna organize them a little. And my new Steve Madden chanclas, I love these. I'm just gonna put them on top of these just to have more room. Oh my gosh, guys, I just got these candles from Bath and Body Works, and I got them for $12 when they're like mainly $26. Oh my gosh, they're so expensive. But I just got them and they smell so good. Okay guys, so I'm on the floor now just to show you guys a couple products that I'm going to be taking over there, which would be makeup products. So I don't know about you guys, but when I like put my makeup in boxes, I need to kind of go in order of how I do my makeup. So let's begin with my eyebrows. I do use this pomade from Anastasia and then these two brushes. So I'm going to start with putting these inside. And then I had already put them inside, but my Frankie Rose and Heart Shape Tip Concealer. And then my eyeshadow, which would be these two palettes that I'm going to be taking. And I'm going to put them under. And then also some primers, guys, which are these two, my favorite. Some gels for my eyebrows. But I'm just going to keep it on this. And let's just hope they don't get ugly and everything. You guys are probably wondering, like, why are you taking so much makeup? I have event after an event, and it's basically work, guys. Like, I have to look presentable to everything that I'm going. I'm actually going to a concert and I'm vlogging, so I'm basically working. I also have my meet and greet, so I don't know where my lipstick is, but I'm gonna find it right now because, oh, it's right here. I'm dumb. My lipstick, my favorite lipstick from Lorella. And then some scissors to cut the eyelashes, a beauty blender, some mascara, to curl my eyelashes. I'm just going to be placing this in here. Oh, I have to fix it just like that. How everything basically looks, guys. Super nice and easy. And guys, going live has been so much fun just because I can interact more with you guys there. And if I'm not on live on Facebook, then I'm going to be on live on Instagram. So if you guys are interested in watching us live, you guys can just go to Facebook, type in Nikki B or the Aguilars. I will be having a link down below, just so you guys can find us faster. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. You can do it. You want to look at it?
Yeah, take a shot like this couple.
For $100 then. Go,
Oh,
just
no,
do it.
I
If you do it now, you'll be over.
I'm full too, and I'm gonna throw it. Throw it.
Tomorrow you're gonna have this in your pocket in Augusto. We're gonna go to the mall in the morning and you're gonna be like, damn, I can get something right now.
If I drink that.
And you don't have to take money out of your pocket.
No, you're doing it now. You put another 50.
Another
100.
Oh,
Alright, another 100.
I'll do another 100.
you got him right there.
$200. $200.
Dang.
$200 make you holla, Ethan?
All the way.
All the way, all the way. Fast.
All the way. 200. 200. Swallow. 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 Don't think about it. Swallow it. Don't think about it. Don't think about it. Just swallow it. Just let it go.
Just swallow it. That's 200 right there.
Did you swallow it already?
Is he still
Because you tried. Happy
You
birthday.
could have had 200.
I cried. I cried.
La misma roleta, la vida da vueltas, ya lo comprobamos, ahí saquen las cuentas, pero de las voy a manejar mi chamba por la cuánto no sé, que la muerte me espera. sombreando. Y antes de ser importantita para nada, caminando como en fuego. Me va a disculpar, señora, pero no me acuerdo. Discúlpeme el atrevimiento, pero nada siento. ¿Quién? ¿De dónde has salido? Y yo no soy aquel al que pude haber herido. ¿Quién? Si quieres saber quién soy, pregúntenselo a Cupido. Yo soy el muchacho alegre, del cielo favorecido, del cielo. Con una baraja no quisiera ver jugar, a ver si conmigo. ¡California! A ver, prendan su luz para tomarnos una foto. A ver, todos. Y a una sierra cortita, va sumando en putiza. Andamos haciendo de bares en la movida. Es una 38 la que cuida mi vida. Si alguien se pasa de verga, les tira mordida. Ya repartimos todo el barrio, seguimos. Ando buscando hacer billetes para Tony. Ya no ando en un chueco, mi empresa por pura mafia en la calle y las barrios.
Oiga más. Rosario. Muchas gracias. De parte de la familia Streetball Rancho Humilde. Que pase una gran tienda oficial de Fuerza Réquida ahí por la entrada y la salida. Cuando tenga chance. Nos veremos para la próxima. Thank you very much. Ahí. Y arriba las mujeres. Saludos a mi compa Esteban, a mi compa Roque.
Wow, that was pretty good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get up for contestant number 2, Shatter's mom. Wow, okay. I think that was a little bit louder than meant, but we'll try it right now. Contestant number 3, let's give it up for Eddie. All right, and finally, let's give it up for contestant number 4, Nora. All right, if I'm not mistaken and my ears are good, I think it was between Shatter's mom and Eddie, right? Wow, hey, my man. There was some kids here, man. You should have told me. We should have given them viewer discretion his advice over here. $660 mirror, okay? All right, let's give it up for contestant number 1, Shatter's mom. All right, contestant number 2, Eddie. Yo, that's hard.
How about 2 mirrors? Done? Alright, fuck it.
Done, 2 mirrors. Alex, Ernesto, thank you. Let's give it up for a winner.
You're paying the second one. You're paying the second one.
So update, Angelique actually peed on me, so I have to change now. My dress is gone.